to Monday Night Racing. This is the 2020 Club Championship. Now, before we get going in tonight's event, I want to give a shout out to Mark D of CRC Racing. He is competing tonight against Hot Wheels Boys. However, yet again over the weekend, Australia has been hit by some heavy, hard weather. This time it wasn't the fires. We have had non-stop rain for 3 days, and I'm talking hundreds of millimetres here, and also heavy winds which have caused severe havoc on the east coast of Australia. Now, over the course of the last couple of months, Mark has been building a fabulous racetrack, a Fat Sizzler track, and his diorama is absolutely outstanding. Mark also mentioned that he has painstakingly been building and tuning the track and all the diorama, with completion of the project due in around about 2 weeks for his first official race. What's transpired over the weekend is a neighbour's tree has collapsed and smashed down onto part of the house and the room where his racetrack is, which is called Ridgeway Fat Track, and smacked the room up, and which has caused severe damage to the room and also his racetrack and all the diorama. So this is a devastating blow for Mark and all the effort that he's put into building the track and the diorama, let alone the damage to the house. My heart goes out to you, mate. I fully understand. We had severe flooding here at my house, and Mount Western Raceway was affected also, but nowhere near as bad as what we can see the images here. So onwards and upwards, mate. I know you will come back bigger and better. If you guys would like to leave a comment on Mark's Instagram or his YouTube channel, just head over there, give him a thumbs up, leave a comment, and give him the best wishes that you possibly can for a new rebuild. Alrighty, let's get into tonight's program. First up, we have Hot Wheels Boys, who comes off a red hot win against Hot Car Track, who was driving the way too fast. Hot Wheels Boys is driving the 8 crate and is the current club champion. Now the 8 crate weighs in at 45 grams. Next up, we have Mark D from CRC Racing. He is driving the Neat Streeter. Now this little red hot rod weighs in at 44 grams. Will this 1 gram difference be the deciding factor in tonight's outcome?
Race 1. CRC Racing in the Neat Streeter.
Let's go to the scoreboard. Mark D of CRC Racing gets his first win in tonight's competition.
Race 2. Winner! It's Mark D of CRC Racing again in the mighty Neat Streeter.
Well, good solid driving produces wins, and Mark D of CRC Racing out of race 2 has his second win out of tonight's comp.
Race 3. Winner! Hot Wheels Boys in the 8 crate. Good on you, mate.
Hot Wheel Boys gets his first win out of race 3. Can he hold on and make this 2 out of 2?
Race 4. the neat streeter. Nice driving, mate.
Well, there you have it. The neat streeter with Mark behind the wheel gets his first club championship win right here in Hot Rods on Monday night. We have a new club champion, and this is Mark D of CRC Racing driving the neat streeter. Can he make this 2 out of 2? Stay tuned for next Monday night at 5 p.m. Let's wrap up tonight's racing. We pick up the action out of race 1. You can see the neat streeter has a nice line into turn 1, but he hits the sidewall, and I thought he was gone here. The 8 crate just sneaks right in front of him, and from here I thought, wow, the 8 crate's got all this won. But check out this little manoeuvre by the neat streeter. Bam, just floors it over the line. Nice driving. This is race 2. You can see the neat streeter has great pace down Mount Western Straight. He hits up high and I thought he was gone. I thought, oh, the 8 crate's just going to take him over here. But he held on tight, gets across the line for his second win. This is race 3, and you can see the neat streeter leaps and bounds in front of the 8 crate. From this point here, you think he's got this sewn up, but he just can't handle this turn. He slams and spins. This leaves the track right open for the 8 crate. You see that little manoeuvre he did then? He just sort of ducked in right behind him. And that's the 8 crate's first win. This is the top of race 4. You can see the 8 crate has the advantage here. Coming out of turn 1, he's right out in front. Puts the pedal to the floor. The neat streeter can't keep up. But as the 8 crate here just can't handle that turn, the neat streeter slips and slides and just floors it and gets right across the line for the club championship. We will see Hot Wheel Boys again in another car, so thanks for watching. Don't forget, tune into Hot Car Track 5 o'clock Mondays for Hot Rods. Catch you later.